Hey, how are you? So in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you the best morning routine so that you can feel your best and have a productive day. So this was a miracle that Cheyenne woke up so early. Usually he's not a morning chihuahua, but the first thing I do when I wake up, I always like to have an intention for the day. And on this day, I said that I wanted to just feel my best. I don't check my phone first thing in the morning when I open my eyes. Instead, I wait about 20 minutes. So as you guys can see, my kitchen is almost done. There's still some things that I want to do to it. So in the mornings, I like to have something light and something that's refreshing so that it doesn't feel heavy on my stomach. And I am going to have a smoothie bowl. I am going to be adding seasonal fruit to it and a little bit of granola. And by the way, this video is being sponsored by Aspire Nutrition. I have been drinking their 5-in-1 probiotic. It helps with brain function, gut health, has vitamins and prebiotics. This has been a game changer, and in case you can't drink it in the morning, you could add it to pasta, you could add it to your favorite food or drinks. Kids, men, and women can eat this. How you would know the amount of scoops that you have to add is based on your age and on your weight. For me, I add 2 scoops and I'm adding it to the smoothie. So if you have children and they are picky eaters, this is a great product because they are getting all the nutrients they need in one little jar. Now I'm just going to add my favorite fruit. This is all I had. So I add grapes, I added a mandarin, kiwi, granola, and it tastes so delicious and it's very nourishing at the same time. So I've been having my breakfast outside to get some sunshine, and then at the same time I always like to do affirmations, and affirmations are just things that you want to manifest in your life. You can write them down or you can say them. I do both, and I also journal them because when time passes I like to go back and I like to see what things happened for me. I truly take this time to relax, and then what I like to do is that I like to take a shower. I take a shower in the morning and I take one at night before bed. I have to, and I feel that this just helps me stay more focused and more energetic. There's something about showers that makes me feel so good. So after I'm done showering, I usually go and make my bed, but that's gonna be in an upcoming video. I'm gonna be sharing that with you. So please subscribe if you haven't. By this time, I like to do my makeup, and by the way, I'm gonna be sharing this really cool trick on how to curl your lashes. So to curl your lashes and for them to stay curled is that you want to get that brow gel and you want to apply it on the root. Then you would go ahead and apply the rest of your makeup, and then afterwards you would go in with a lash curler. It could be heated, but I usually just curl my lashes with a curler as is, and then you would apply mascara, and this is going to curl your lashes for the entire day. So as you guys can see, my makeup is very minimal. Nowadays I'm into natural looks, and for me just foundation, a little bit of mascara, eyeshadow, blush, and lipstick, and that's about it. And then sometimes I do fill in my brows. I'm so tired of love songs, life never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone who wants me to. I've heard every cliche there is, and none of them make sense. I'm so tired of love songs, I'm sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you. So I'm gonna end the video right here. Thank you so much, Aspire Nutrition, for sponsoring today's video. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to be linking it down below. I hope you subscribe before you go. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you soon. Bye. I'm so tired of love songs, life never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so
how